Whose daddy is this? He's such a baddie. Please, come and get your father. Best friends, Sony invited me to the launch of their latest earbuds at Mid-Valley Mega Mall. Let's check it out together. This is the WF-1000M5 from Sony, their latest top-of-the-line noise-cancelling earbuds. Now, the event started with Jeremy talking, then the big boss, the product manager, and especially the legendary YouTuber Adam Lobo, who gave such a nice talk about the evolution of the earbuds from the first generation to the current one. Then it was time for this daddy and his family of dancers to show us how stable the earbuds are in their ears. Here comes the fun part, checking out the earbuds. According to Sony, it has premium noise cancellation with 8 hours on a single charge and up to 24 hours with the charging case, which comes in 2 colors, black and white. And the case is actually very nice to touch, nice to hold, and once broken, considered sold. And if you have a small hole, don't worry, the ear tips have an extra small option now too. I appreciate this because size matters and I like mine extra small. Sony has an early bird promo from now till 31st August where you get this early bird exclusive package and a chance to win a Sony camera. Speaking of package, Sony gave me the earbuds and I'll be unboxing it soon. So best friends, ask me all of your questions in the comments, and as always, I'm your captain of awesome and I'm from Naija with love.